everyone, welcome back to our channel English Language Learning. Today is day 3. Today I am going to learning the differences between should be, should have with simple examples. Let's get started. Now it's a storytelling time. I am going to read a story. After that I will tell with my own words about the story. So let's start the storytelling. Okay, today's story I selected one story. So today I am going to read this story. Once upon a time, a water barrier carried two parts. One part was perfect and the other had a small crack. Every day the water barrier filled both parts with water and walked home. The perfect part was proud because it always delivered a full load of water. But the cracked part felt sad and ashamed because it leaked water along the way. One day, the cracked part said, "I'm sorry, I'm broken and can't do my job well." The kind water barrier smiled and said, "Don't be sad. Did you notice the flowers on your side of the path? I planted seeds there, and every day your little leaves watered them. Now the path is full of beautiful flowers thanks to you." The cracked part felt happy and proud again. Everyone has faults, but even our faults can create something beautiful and useful. So this is the story. I read it twice. Now I am going to tell with my own words. Hi GPT, I want to tell you a story. So please correct my mistakes. So once in a village, a water barrier lived. He had two parts. One is perfect and other had a crack. So the perfect part was very proud because of it did its job perfect. But the other cracked part felt sad because it thought that I didn't do my job well, and it felt ashamed. So one day the cracked part said to the water barrier, I can't do my job well. I am useless. Why do you still use me? Said the cracked part. Then the water barrier smiled and replied, I planted some seeds along the way. Your leaks water the seeds every day. See the side. The path is very beautiful because of your leaks. Then the cracked part was very happy, and the moral of the story is we may have our falls also can make something. Water barrier lay. Water barrier lived. Part. Part. It's my mistake because my pronunciation is very bad. I already told you in a previous video. So mostly I didn't concentrate on the time on the pronunciation. So that mistake is mine. So now this time I concentrate about my pronunciation also. I had a crack in it, or was cracked. I didn't do my job well. I don't do my job well. Said the cracked part. Said the cracked part. Pathed some seeds. Planted some seeds. Pathed as a word is a word is there in English. I created so many words with my broken English. So pathed, not pathed, it's a planted. Oh. And so pathed, what is the meaning of pathed? How can I say? So yeah, sometimes this is called nervous. Yes, when I telling the story with my own word, I also felt nervous on that time. Planted, not pathed. You were leaks water. You have been leaking water. See the side, the path. Look at the side of the path. Because of your leaks, because of the water you leaked. Don't discourage yourself. Don't be ashamed of yourself about that falls, about those falls. Falls also can make something. Falls can also create something beautiful. Now I want to talk something because it's helped to improve my communication. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me one question. Hi ChatGPT, for my speaking practice, please give me one simple and funny question. Then I will answer that question. You correct it. You correct my mistakes. It's asking me very funny question. The question is so you also try to answer this question and comment in the comment section. I am talking with my broken English. So how many mistakes I will make, that is not bother to me. So I have to speak. That is my intention, because when I open the mouth, then only I will improve day by day. Without open up the mouth, I can't. I want to speak. Already I told you I want to learn from my mistakes. So if I don't open up my mouth, I can't learn anything. So that's why I open up, and I shadow practicing. It is also very helpful technique. So I also doing that shadow practicing every day, 10 or 15 minutes. I take one conversation and I retell, and I repeat it like a shadow. So that is also very helpful. if I were a cat, I would play with my kids first, because they like they like pet animals so much. But I I didn't allow inside the house. That's why they felt like sad. So if I were a cat, then definitely I would play with them happily. That is the thing I did first. And also my kids is also fulfilled. Yes, the next question is, if you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would you choose and why? So, yeah, what would I choose? Uh, I definitely choose eggs, because we can make so many varieties of dishes with eggs. That's why I choose eggs. Yeah, like egg fry, omelette, egg curry, egg bhuji. So many kind of snacks items. So many items are there with eggs. And also it's very healthy. D vitamin and yeah, B12. Uh, so many vitamins are there in a in uh, in an egg. So that's why I chose the egg. It is also very good for health. It is also very diet food, and also protein food. So I preferred eggs, and and also we we don't feel like bored, or we never fed up with eggs, because we can make uh, so many varieties of dishes that that uh, that feels me never get bored. And also it is a healthy food. Kids also even eat this food. And so with eggs I never feel bored. Say vegetarian or non-vegetarian, both are taken this kind of egg. And yeah, I prefer egg only. This time I get this kind of marks. Yeah, confident is 10 out of 10. So okay. And I also make so many mistakes. These are my mistakes, you know. Now see the mistakes. I definitely choose eggs. I would definitely choose eggs. I would. We have to use would here, because it's an imaginary situation. So imaginary situations, we have to use wood. So many varieties of dishes, so many different dishes, so many variety of dishes. I said so many variety of dishes. Both are okay, but different dishes is more natural. Okay, so variety of dishes are not variety of different dishes. So many kind of snacks items I said, but so many kinds of snacks are so many snacks items. D vitamin D, not D vitamin, vitamin D. It is also very diet food and also protein food. It is also a healthy high protein food. So it is also a healthy, high protein food. This say. We don't feel like bored. We don't get bored. Get, we have to use before get. Oh, get bored. That feels me never get bored. So I never get bored of eating them. Is a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, both are taking this kind of egg. Many people, both vegetarian who eat eggs and non-vegetarians, enjoy eating eggs. So it's better to say vegetarians who eat eggs. So this is my English practice today. Tomorrow we will meet day 4. If you like my English language learning journey, please join with me, and we will learn together. We will fun together. We will motivate every day. So if you want to more videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. We will meet tomorrow.